This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. Assam will start rolling out benefits under the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme from today. Talking to media persons in Guwahati, State Food, Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Minister Ranjit Kumar Das said that over 2 crore 50 lakh families will benefit under this scheme and urged the beneficiaries to come forward and get their ration cards linked with their Aadhaar. The ONORC is a flagship scheme of the central government that allows eligible beneficiaries to avail food grains they are entitled to under the National Food Security Act from any fair price shop across the country. In Manipur, the Chief Minister's COVID-19 affected livelihood support scheme was launched to provide assistance to those who had been severely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in the state. The scheme was launched by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh in a function held at Imphal. While speaking in the launching event, the Chief Minister maintained that the state government had been working sincerely with an aim to uplift the poor and weaker sections of the state. Veteran Tamil Nadu BJP leader and former MP ELa Ganesan will be the new Governor of Manipur. President Ramnath Kovind has cleared his appointment. Senior BJP leader ELa Ganesan, who has been appointed as the 17th Governor of Manipur, was born in Tamil Nadu's rice granary, Thanjavur, on 16th of February 1945. Meghalaya Government has decided to ease some restrictions and issued directions for the opening of shops in Shillong urban agglomeration and rural areas of East Khasi Hills from today. Public parks like Wards Lake, Lady Hyderi Park and private-owned parks are permitted to reopen for vaccinated persons and subject to compliance to COVID-19 protocols. Meanwhile, night curfew will continue from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily in East Khasi Hills. Inter-district movement as well as movement to and from Shillong urban agglomeration is restricted and entry of tourists is not permitted to all tourist spots in East Khasi Hills. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio on the 29th of August. It will be the 80th episode of the monthly radio program. The Prime Minister has invited people to share their ideas on topics he should address on the coming episode of the program. People can share their views on the Namo app or MyGov Open Forum. They can also dial the toll-free number 1800-11-7800 and record their message for the Prime Minister in either Hindi or English. The phone lines will remain open till 27th of August. People can also give a missed call on 1922 and follow the link received in SMS to directly give their suggestions to the Prime Minister. The government of Manipur has felicitated 5 athletes who participated in Tokyo Olympics 2020 in a grand reception organized by the State Youth Affairs and Sports Department at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Union Minister of State for Food Processing, Industries and Jal Shakti, Prahlad Singh Patel, and other state cabinet ministers and MLAs attended the function. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren Singh said that the Manipur Olympian Park is being planned and would be completed by November end. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.